me. I am the great mighty shit, and I'm going to throw my poo at you. A huge supply of penis come from my chocolate starfish. How about some twat, you little Do you really think you're in here? You don't seem to know it, but you're in. Your face on is the only thing that makes it through my rear. How do you think I keep this lovely grin?
Have some more caviar.
Now I'm really getting rather mad. You're like a niggly tickly shitty, niggly tickly shitty, niggly tickly little tag nut. When I've knocked you out with all my mab, I'm going to take your head and ram it up my my that's right, my
I'm flushing! Oh, what a world, what a world! Who'd have thought a good little squirrel like you could destroy my beautiful head? Oh, I'm going!
No! Now that's what I call a bowel movement.
Bumper cars!